By the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, I'm latif from class 9. Today I want to present the topic of 9th class computer, which is careers in information technology, or shortly IT. First of all, we should know about the IT. What is IT? IT technology refers to anything that is related to the computer, such as networking, hardware, software, network, and everything that is related to the computers. And those people who are working with this technology, we call them the IT users, or these all things that are related to the computer are called information technology, or IT. And nowadays there are lots of companies which are having the IT departments for the managing of their data networks, and the in various fields such as business and business networking of their technology and everything. And they use information technology IT to improve their productivity in their businesses also. And nowadays there are lots of jobs that are offered to the people that they are need some of the professionals in the information technology or IT. That I have written some of them that which are software engineer. First of all, I want to talk about the software engineer. Software engineer is a highly skilled person or computer expert, which is know or which design everything about the software of the computer, about the software, and these persons design, implements, and maintenance the computer software. And there are the computer software is further divided into two parts, which are the programmer and system analyst. The computer programmers are IT professionals or computer experts. They are divided into two parts, which are the programmers and system analysts. First of all, about the programmers. Computer programmers are very which have in-depth knowledge about programming language in the computer software, and the computer programmers solve the problems which are related to the business, education, banking, offices, hospitals, and government offices and entertainments. Such as they make different programs in the computer software. That one entertainment related to the games that we every day may play with computer. The programmers are developing such as games and entertainments. And another one is it's divided into two parts. The second part is system analyst. System analyst is a person that analyzes the processing requirements of the organization and develop information system to implement them. And the system analyst they investigate the problem of the computer, and they are planning a solution to implement it, or they solve these problems from the computer software. And another career that we can admit, or they are offering nowadays into the IT field, as a hardware engineer. Hardware engineer is hardware engineer designed and manufactured the computer hardware. And their works also involve the repairing and maintenance of the hardware computer. They repair the hardware computer, such as hardware devices. We can name some of them, like mouse, monitor, and these things. Network administration. Another career which are offered nowadays is network administrator. Network administrator is responsible for installation, configuration, and maintenance of the computer network that are related to the organizations. They are also used to maintenance the computer hardware and software that make the computer network. And another one is data administrator. Data administrator is a person who is responsible for managing and implementing data in the organizations, database in the organization. There are lots of organizations nowadays in the world which have lots of large database, and there is a need of a person that manage and design this database So they offered dot administrator because of such things. Web designer is a person whose job is to create websites. That we have always we are always seeing the websites and the Google and the Google Chrome that we are using every day. And they are the web designers or the person who are making and creating this kind of webs. And the webs are containing the audios, videos, sounds, and graphics to make the websites interactive. And we always use the HTML language, processing programming language, which its full form is hypertext markup language. We commonly use them for making or for designing the webs. The another multimedia designer are the people who organize, and the another career is multimedia designer. Multimedia designer are the people who organize and present the information in an easy way to understand and interactive manner. The multimedia designers are combining the audio, video, text, graphic to make these interactive and more easy to understand. And they arrange the images and the sequence for animation in the computer software. And the web multimedia designers are mainly required into the film industry. That now there are lots of films that are releasing, and they need a multimedia designer to design it. And the another one need in the software companies, computer software companies, as the computers also need a person to design its multimedia things such as audios, videos, and graphics. The another one is advertising companies. Advertising also need a multimedia designer. For example, in the YouTube we always see 5 seconds advertisings that multimedia designer have the job have to create those advertisements. And another one is information security analyst. Information security analyst is a person whose job is to protect computer information and information system from unauthorized use, access, modification, and distraction. This is a person whose job is to protect computer from any unauthorized use, or any person can't use the information that which are in the computer without permission of the owner of that account or that account. The another topic, computer teachers. The another career is computer teacher. Computer teachers computer teacher teach the subject of the computer to make the students literate in the computer system. The computer teachers teach the student how to operate the operation of the computer, and how to operate the operation of the computer, and they teach about the hardware of the computers. The computer teachers also help teach the students how to develop programs by using programming language. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.